Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to assemble a microwave rack. This rack is very common in Shopee and Lazada, which are usually priced at 700 to 1,000 pesos for one layer. It's said to be able to hold up to 50 kilograms and both width and height can be adjusted up to a certain length. So without further ado, let's start! When you receive the item, it comes with 6 hooks, 4 screw knobs for the feet, 1 Allen wrench, 2 nuts, 12 screws. You actually only need 8 screws for a one-layer rack, then 2 metal plates, 2 extension tubes, 1 back support, and 2 frames. It's best to start adding the back support to the frames so that the frames can stand and make the rest of the assembly steps easier. But before that, connect the extension tubes to the back support and tighten them with the nuts provided. The extension tubes have a rough and smooth edge, so you may want to hide the rough edges inside. Then, add the back support to the frames so you'll be able to make your frame stand. When you have multiple joints connected by screws, I suggest to keep the screws loose first so that you have more room to make adjustments while attaching other parts. Since you only need loose connection, you can use your hand to add the screws, or you can just go ahead and use the Allen wrench provided. Once you're able to make your frame stand, you can add the metal base. You have 2 options where to add the base depending on your preferred height. Now that you already have all screws in place, it's time to tighten all of them using the Allen wrench. Make sure not to under-tighten them so you have a firm structure, but also do not over-tighten them to avoid damaging or breaking the item. Meanwhile, you can add the screw knobs for the frame's feet anytime. I prefer to do mine after everything else is done. Then add the hooks to the side where you prefer to hang items. And that's it! You can place the rack anywhere and adjust the width accordingly. My review, is it worth it? Yes, definitely. I have bought 2 other types of multiple layer racks priced around 300 pesos and they are both wiggly. But this one, it's very solid and sturdy. Definitely can hold a microwave or any appliances in the upper layer. It's also elegant to look due to its minimalist style. And that's it, guys. Hope you found this useful and congrats on your new microwave rack. Till our next vlog. Bye!